So in this video we are going to discuss about character pointers. So we are taking up some questions on character pointers. Alright. The first question, we have to tell the output, the correct output. So we are given character CH and we have a character pointer which is pointing towards this variable CH. Let's draw it this way. This is a character CH which has A stored inside it, and we have PTR which is a pointer pointing towards this character CH. If we increment CH, alright, characters can be incremented in this way in C++. This means that it becomes B. Let me write it. This becomes character B. On doing star PTR, thus we get the answer as B. So the answer is B. Alright. Now how does this work? This is the main question. So let's elaborate on this. We know that each character is associated with an ASCII value. Let's say ASCII value for a small a is I don't remember the ASCII value correctly. I am assuming it to be 10, let's say. So what happens is, when we do CH++, the character first gets converted into its ASCII value. That ASCII value gets incremented to by 1, or because we have performed increment operation on the character CH, and this ASCII value gets converted back into the character. Alright, so thus we get the character B as the output. Alright, now since ASCII values given to the alphabets are next to each other, so without even remembering the ASCII values, we can remember that on incrementing A, on doing it plus plus, we actually get the value B. Alright, next question. Assume address of 0th index of array is 200. Alright, what is the output for? We are given this is PQR. Alright, so we have we will have an array of characters which will be of this form. It will have a size 4 PQR and then a \0 which will be inserted by the compiler. Alright, because we have initialized it using double quotes method. The starting address is 200 for the array. So this is the 200 address, starting address. Now we have a character which is pointing towards the starting of the array. So this is C character. So on doing cout C, we know that implementation of cout for character array, for character pointers, is different. So it will actually keep on printing values until it reaches \0. Thus it will print PQR. So this will be the output. Alright, next question. The address of 0th index of B is 300. What is the output for this? Alright, so there is a difference. In the previous case we had not incremented our pointer, but in this case we have incremented the pointer. So we know that C would be initially pointing to this, so after incrementing it will move to the next memory address. Since characters are each of 1 byte, therefore if start at initially it was pointing at 200, so after incrementing it will start pointing at 201, or I should say the next memory address. Thus if we do cout C now, so it will start printing from Q onwards until it reaches \0. So the output will be QR. All right. This is the last question. In this, we are given a string namaste. We have a pointer p which is pointing towards, which is equal to s. Now we do s of 0 and we do p of 0. We know that how this is actually interpreted by the compiler. The compiler converts it into star s plus 0. Alright, and similarly, likewise, the compiler will also convert this into p plus 0 and then it will dereference it. Alright, so the output for this would be n, and the output for this would be n as well. So the output would be n with space in between. Alright, this space. Alright, so this is the output. Thank you.